guys, welcome back to Swamp Gully Acres, and today I'm going to give you a tour of the camper and just show you what's going on around the farm here. So let's go up to the shop and see, or up to the spot where the camper is going to go, because that's where my dad is, and let's go see what he's doing. So while my dad is doing some other stuff, I'm gonna just go help him out kind of and toss some of these big rocks on the pile. Let's go see what my dad is doing. I think he's getting ready to move the camper up to the site back here. He's been cleaning that off all morning, I think. So, I'm not sure what he's doing now, but I think he's just moving concrete and stuff. So, my dad is going to go to the dump, and after he gets back, I think he's going to move the camper, so you'll see that. And before he does that, before that happens, I'm gonna go for a quick four-wheeler ride. you enjoyed watching that, and now we just gotta wait for my dad to get back. I think he left for the dump. Or I don't know where he is right now, but his truck is still here, so I'm assuming he hasn't left actually. But yeah, I think we're gonna move the camper soon here. And that is the camper right there, in case you were wondering what it looks like. It's a pretty big camper. It's bigger than our camper. It is actually my grandma's camper. And yeah, that should be pretty exciting when we move that. It should be pretty exciting. So now that we got the camper moved up to the concrete slab and got it all set up, we're gonna go haul some trash to the dump, and after that, I think I'll do the tour of the camper. And we got some more cleaning up in the shop to do, so yeah, see you then. All right, so we got back from the dump now, and we got a lot of work to do. We got to go clean up a lot of the leftover rubble from the shop and just kind of start smoothing out the floor in the shop. And for a while, it's just going to be dirt because, well, we don't really have any concrete to pour in there, so it's just going to be dirt for a while. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to ride around in my four-wheeler with a drag and just try to get the driveway kind of smoothed out a little bit, because didn't notice it's quite muddy. Yeah. And eventually going up to the shed there next to the camper, my grandma wants a driveway going up there, so we'll get that all worked out. And yeah, so I'm going to start grading the driveway. Well, I think I overheated it. Let it cool off for a minute. So now that I'm done grading the driveway, I might go do the camper tour in a minute here, but gotta let my four-wheeler cool off a little bit. It's a lot of work for it, like I said. But I'm done grading the driveway, so yeah, that's that. Not sure what my dad's doing. He's doing something in the skid steer, moving stuff around, I think. But yeah. So it just started raining and you really hear the rain pounding down on the roof of the shed. I'm going to do the camper tour in a bit here. But it is raining pretty hard right now. So I'm going to go do a tour of the camper now, and my mom got home from work, so.
Then we're going to paint my bike.
Yeah, we're going to go paint her. Well, it's actually a trike because it has 3 wheels, but.
It's a grown-up truck.
Yes. Yeah.
A 3-wheel bike.
Alright, now I'm going to do a small tour of the camper here. So, this is the living room on it. It's pretty big. With 2 couches and stuff. There's the kitchen area. Fridge and a stove, and pretty big. And then the bathroom. And here is the bedroom. Just one of the coolest rooms. You got these nice big windows here, and a desk, and another door where you can go outside. Of course, the wind's gonna try to pull it open. Not today. Of course, though. There you go.
It's a nice day, but it's not a swimming suit.
Not yet. Oh, wow.
And you got bells screaming. Can you guys jump up here? I bet you can.
You start making another pile here?
Yep.
Alright.
Turn it around. Do it the same way, I guess.
Yeah.
You call for him?
We just got done moving bales for the goats, and
We bought 100 square bales, and they're bigger square bales, but not huge, from somebody in town here. $3 a bale, which is a pretty good deal, considering most of the time you're spending $5 or $6 a bale. So we probably have enough to feed our goats for almost a year, I would think.
yeah, well, we only got 50 today, but we're getting 50 more tomorrow.
50 today, 50
And then
tomorrow.
they're taking up a lot of space in the barn.
Should we go show them?
Yeah, let's go show square bales. It's a pretty rainy day today.
Yeah, rainy but warm out.
Oh yeah, it's like almost 70 degrees. Tomorrow's going to be nice too. And
Tomorrow we have to finish building our goat pen so the goats can get outside.
you're going to, oh, you are right there.
Muddy.
So we're going to finish the pen tomorrow.
Yes.
But here's all the bales. This whole area is going to be filled. We're not going to put them over here because the chickens are going here. But in this area where all these barrels and all this wooden stuff is, we're going to put some more here, I think. So it's already a lot of hay.
Perfect. Keep our goats fed for a while, won't it?
Yeah.
You want to say hi to the goats?
Well, now we're painting the bike, and alright guys, so I think I'm going to end the video off here. Tomorrow we're going to start building an outside pen for the goats. We're going to finish painting my mom's bike. we're just gonna do much stuff. We're gonna move more hay tomorrow, and just got a lot of stuff planned for tomorrow. So, yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.